Hi, we're here at SLE Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we'll be looking at a 7x20 wood car hauler with two 52K axles. We have our jack coupler and safety chains, as well as our breakaway box. This trailer does have a spare tire mount on the front, as well as pressure treated wood flooring. We have stake pockets along the side of the hauler. This hauler does have a removable fender on the driver's side, as well as two 52K axles. This hauler is a dovetail with two stabilizing jacks included. This trailer does have LED brake lights, as well as an 8,000 tongue jack. Once again, this is the 7x20 wood car hauler with two 52K axles. If you are interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.